Today I'm going to show two methods of how to compress an audio. I'm currently using is the Audacity software. This is particularly used to compress or reduce the file size. It is a free open source digital editor application which is available online for Windows, Linux as well as other operating systems. So what I need is this particular software and an audio. So right now I have an audio over here, and as you can see the file size of this particular audio is around 8.43 MB. So now I open my Audacity software, I click on file, I click on import. What I have to import is an audio. I import the particular audio, click on open. It takes a few seconds for the audio to load. So once it is loaded, we can start up with a particular process. So as you can see, the audio is loaded, and here as we can see there is particular space wherein nothing much is spoken. So what I do is I select that particular area. I click on effect, and what I'm doing is reducing the unwanted noise. So this is the particular step 1. So I simply click on get noise profile. Again I click the entire track, select the entire track, I click on effect, again click on noise reduction. This is the step 2, so I simply reduce and click on OK. So each process takes a few seconds of time to load, so we'll wait for that particular time. The next step after the noise reduction is what we do is the normalization method. So once this particular noise reduction profile is effect is applied, what we can do is again go to effect, click on normalize and simply click on OK. Now again this takes a few seconds. The next thing what we are doing is we are compressing the audio. So we go to effect, we click on compressor and simply click on OK. So this is the part wherein a particular audio is being compressed. Again it takes a few seconds, so we can wait until then. And so this particular part is done. Now what we can do next is simply go to file and export audio. In export audio you can give the name and the location of the particular edited file. I give it as MP3 files. You can even give it in WAV format. I simply give it as MP3 files and click on save. Here you need not edit anything in the metadata. You can simply click on OK. So it's exporting the particular audio that we have compressed to the location where you specified. Again it takes a few seconds for the same. So once this is done, we can see as I had given my location as desktop. So I can see that the particular file is saved over here. So initially my audio size was 8.43 MB, and now I can see that the audio size is compressed to 7.21 MB. Okay, now the second method that I'm showing is, again you can open the Audacity software, click on file, new. Again you can click on file, you can give import, and you can import the particular audio that you want to compress. That is my initial audio, that is audio 1. I click on open. It takes a few seconds to load. So once this is done, you can see that the audio is loaded over here. Now what you can do is you can simply go to edit. You can go to edit, click on preferences. In preferences you can click on the quality. So here we can see a default sample rate, and here below you can see the sample rate of the audio, that is 44,000, around 44,000. So you can either reduce it to 32, 22 or any particular sampling rate which is below 44,000. I currently take it as 11,000, and the default sample rate you can give it as 16-bit. Simply click on OK, and then what you can do is you can go to file, you can go to export audio. Again, you can save this particular audio with another name, and you can give a destination wherein you want to save. Again, you can save it in WAV format or MP3 files, or simply keep it as MP3 files and click on save. So again, you need not edit any particular data or anything in this edit metadata. You can simply give it as an OK. And again, it takes a few seconds to export the particular audio. Now as you can see, the audio is loaded over here. So when you check the size, it's almost reduced to 2.38 MB. Initially it was 8.43 MB. Now it is almost reduced to 2.38 MB. So these are the two particular methods which we saw right now. You can use either of the method to compress any particular audio which you wish to. I hope this was helpful to each one of you. If you like it, you can share it. You can share this particular video. Thank you for watching.